they tried to sneak by and do a limited edition collection without me knowing about it. But luckily, I'm subscribed to their email and I'm also following Kale Polish on Instagram. So I heard about this, but that was awfully sneaky, Kale Polish. So today I'm going to share with you guys a limited edition collection that Kale Polish just came out with, the Zodiac collection. This is a huge collection. It's limited edition from what I heard. I think they should make it permanent, but who knows. They have the full collection, which is 12 polishes, and then they have the bundles or the little sets that you can purchase separately, or the polishes themselves you can purchase separately. But I really do love doing these swatch videos for you guys, and you guys seem to really like them. That way you can kind of get an idea of what these polishes looks like on me, on my skin color, on my skin shade, my tone. And you guys seem to think that it's really helpful. I am a very much, that did not make sense. I already can tell. I'm not even gonna finish that sentence. Sometimes I say my sentences backwards. You guys know, sometimes I say them backwards, and I wasn't even gonna finish that because I knew it was gonna be backwards. I am a nail polish enthusiast. I love nail polish and I have a ton. And I always get Kale Polish's new launches because I love their formula. They are like my perfect polish, and I do like their colors. I think this collection is genius. I think they should make it permanent because the colors here are so unique and so beautiful, and the formula on every single one of these is amazing. I have not been disappointed by this one. So yeah, I'm glad that I bought the whole thing. So before I get started, if you are new, if this is one of your first videos seeing from me, don't even think about watching the rest of this video without subscribing, hitting that subscribe button, and hitting the little bell next to it, tapping that little notification bell, tap it, so that you can be notified and all my videos will go into your subscription feed. If you don't hit that little bell, you may or may not get a video from me every single time. So if you want to see all of the other Kale Polish videos that I'm going to be doing whenever they come out, that did not make sense. If you want to keep seeing Kale Polish launches swatched on me and talked about here on my channel, you definitely need to subscribe. So these just released, but they're still available on the website. Like, they're still in stock. So she came out with 12 polishes, and the collection, the whole collection with all 12 polishes, costs $99. I will link her website below, $99. But then she separated them into bundles, so you can still buy like 6 polish bundles. The first bundle is the Fire and Water bundle, and they retail for $49.95. And then the next bundle here is the Earth and Air bundle, is what she bundled together. You also can buy each individual polish for $9.50 as well. So if there's only like one polish that you're interested in, you can just buy that one if there's a particular bundle, or you can buy the whole collection, which will save you more money that way. So let's get started. I'm going to tell you right off the bat, all of these polishes swatch beautifully. They all have a really good formula. They're very consistent, very pigmented, and I am a type of person who likes too thin coats. Some people like the thick coat, some people like one thick coat, some people like 3 thin coats. I don't know how you do your polish. I don't know how you all do your nails, but I do 2 thin coats of polish is what I like to do. So the swatches, that's how they look. So the first one is Pisces, and if I say it wrong, I'm sorry. So the Zodiac collection is all about the different Zodiac signs and the colors that correspond. Kathleen Light's is, Kale Polish is Kathleen Light's brand, and she is all about the Zodiac. So she has really good sense of the colors that she thinks corresponds to each sign. I don't know anything about the Zodiac. All I know is I'm a Capricorn, holler to all the Capricorns, but that's all I know about it. So you guys tell me down below if you think she did a good job with the color selections for that sign. Also tell me what your sign is if you know. If you don't, Google it, because I'm just curious. Let me know down below. And if you know anything about Capricorns, like certain traits or certain things, certain information, leave me down below. Educate me on who I am, because apparently I don't know if I don't know my sign. So let me know down below. Those are a lot of comments I better be seeing. Okay, so the first one is Pisces, and this one, I'm not gonna lie, was my least favorite of the bundle of when I saw it. But when it's swatched on the nails, it's the most beautiful teal color with a beautiful metallic shift to it. Really does look mermaidy, but it looks elegant and beautiful. It doesn't look too little kiddish. With colors like this, I feel like they can come off looking very much like a little girl wanting to be a mermaid. And this one, she did such a good job with the color that it does look beautiful, elegant, very unique, and on the nails. This one will surprise you if you're kind of not fond about that one. This one, it will surprise you for sure. It's gonna surprise you. I like it a lot. Next here is Leo. This one is the most gorgeous in the bottle. It is so beautiful. It has these flecks of like gold, like very, very thinly dispersed in there. Just a beautiful orange pumpkin-y color, which is perfect for Halloween, which I know just passed, but I'm actually filming this on Halloween for you guys. And this is just such a beautiful color. I really do love it, and it is flattering. If you feel like orange isn't flattering on you, this is a good orange to try, because I think it is very beautiful. I'm one of those people that I don't like orange on me, especially darker oranges, but this one is actually looks really beautiful and flattering. Next is this one, Aries, which is one of my favorites, and I was so excited about it. I just wish there was a tiny bit more red in this one. It looks like a neon orange is what it looks like to me. It is the brightest orange I have ever seen in my whole entire life, and I love it. I do. I think it's beautiful. I wish it had like a tad bit more red in it, but it's gorgeous. It's beautiful, you guys, and I'm definitely gonna be rocking this a lot. I especially have a lot of lipsticks that kind of match this, so I'm gonna do the matchy matchies, you know what I mean? Anyways, it's beautiful. Next is this one, Cancer, which is a sidewalk light gray with kind of a bluish tint to it. This is one that looks so normal. The grays in here in this collection look so normal and basic, but they're not. When I put them on my nails, I realized like I have nothing like this in my collection. I haven't seen anything like this in very many brands, and it's just a beautiful gray with it's like a beautiful sidewalk gray, just so gorgeous, and I really love it. Next is Scorpio, and this one is very interesting, and it looks cooler in the bottle. Like you can really tell that it's like a dark color, maybe a little bit dark brown with like a red shift to it. And I wish that, I don't know if I haven't worn it enough, because again, I just swatched this one. I haven't necessarily wore this one yet, but I feel like you can't really see that on the nails, that shift. So I have to keep on wearing it a little bit more, but it is gorgeous. You can tell it's like a dark blood, ox blood red with like a burnt color, just really beautiful. So this one is, I do like dark colors like this right now. It's just, it's beautiful. Okay, next is this one, which is one of my absolute favorites, because this is my go-to black color. This isn't black. This is like a black base, or like a purple that's so dark it looks black. And I've mentioned this before. Wet n Wild has a polish that is exactly like this, that is called, I don't want to say Nirvana. Pretty sure that is completely wrong. I don't remember what it's called. I think Nirvana is China Glaze's version of this polish. But anyways, it's beautiful. Don't get me wrong. Wet n Wild is beautiful, but it's not deep like as deep as this. And if you're someone that doesn't like to wear black because you think black doesn't look good on your nails, with like your skin, I've mentioned it before, trying a blackened purple is really, really good. She just came out with her fall collection and that had a blackened purple, but it had like shimmer metallicness to it. If you don't want that, this is just a cream finish, so it doesn't have any shimmer, anything like that. This is a very, very good option. And this one is Sagittarius, if I didn't mention that before. So that is the Fire and Water bundle. Now we're gonna go into the Earth and Air bundle. First off, this one is such a surprise to me. The Libra completely surprised me, completely. It looks so elegant, so beautiful, so feminine, but not like a little girl way. I just noticed that I have my bubble wrap under there. Did you guys see that the whole time? My bubble wrap. I stick my shipping stuff under my couch here because I don't know where else to put it for my shop, my Etsy shop. This is my bubble wrap for my Etsy shop. Anyways, what was I saying? Oh, okay, so this one just completely surprised me how beautiful it is. It is so gorgeous, you guys. If you are gonna get one color, this would be it. If you wanna get one color that's feminine and so beautiful, this is it. It's just, there's nothing like this that I have seen. And I have a lot of like pinky, mauve colors, and this is just so freaking beautiful. I can't even mention, it's just so gorgeous. One of my absolute favorites for sure. Okay, next is this one, which is Aquarius 2, because she already has an Aquarius. And she wanted this, she mentioned, if you've seen her video, she did a swatch video as well. She mentioned she wanted this to look like Galaxy in a bottle, and I completely agree. I think she did a very good job of that because those flecks really do look like a Galaxy in a bottle. And this is one of the colors that I saw the blue and I was like, I already have a blue like this. Just has shimmer to it, and I didn't think it was going to be anything unique, but it really is. It's surprisingly a bright blue. Like, it surprisingly has some brightness to it when it's on the nails, and I really, really do love it. This is one of the ones when I put it on, I was like, you know, in the bottle it looks cool, but I think I have one kind of like this, and I put it on and I was like, whoa, this is gorgeous. So this is a very, this nail polish definitely did surprise me, and it's beautiful. It does look like a Galaxy on your nails, just splashed on there. Like, she did a very good job with this one. Okay, next is a yellow I have been wanting the other yellows that she has in her collection to look like. This one. This is my perfect yellow. This one is called Gemini. If you have my skin shade and you don't like yellows because you feel like they just don't look good enough, they don't look bright enough, this is a bright yellow. You're gonna like this one. This one is what I consider a bright sunshine yellow. She just came out with like a yellow that had like an orange base to it, or like it had like an orange, it's an orangey yellow. That was not bright enough for me because on my nails, it makes my hands look darker when it has that orange base that isn't bright enough. I wanted something to brighten my hands up. And this one does it. I really, really love it. This is one of my favorite yellows in my whole collection, if not the favorite, because it's like the perfect yellow with kind of a, almost like a lightened white base in there. I don't know. It's really, really, really beautiful. Okay, next is Taurus 2, and this one, again, a neutral color. This one I really like because it's interesting. It's a brown, but I haven't seen a brown like this ever. Like, it's just a very beautiful brown. If you guys are nervous because you think this might be too close, it's not too close. I think you can still see a difference between your nails and your hands if you're my shade and you wear this. It's a beautiful color. It's like a light brown, and it does look very clean, which I really do like. I like that it looks very, very clean. And if you have her other polishes and you want to do like an ombre brown, this is a good color to have, so you can have that lighter kind of brownish color. But I like it. I think it's a beautiful color. It is very unique. It does surprise me on the nails, but I just don't have my full thoughts about this one yet, but it's gorgeous. Okay, so I'm down to the last two polishes. This next polish is one of my #1 favorite. This is my #1 favorite polish. It's the polish I'm wearing today. It's the Virgo. Holy moly, is this deep dark gray one of the most beautiful polishes I've ever seen in my whole life. If you don't like black and you don't like that dark purple, try this color. It is such a beautiful deep gray, just so gorgeous, and it looks so dang cool. There's just something about it that looks so sexy, so sophisticated, so mysterious, and it's just so beautiful, so gorgeous. So definitely my #1 favorite from the whole collection, this dark gray. And last is the polish that corresponds to my sign, Capricorn. This one is a pretty cool, unique color, I'm not gonna lie. It is green, but if you turn it, it has like an orange shift to it, like a coppery shift to it. It's really, really cool. And this one is super opaque. So if you're worried that this is going to just be like very sheer, it's not. It's very opaque. It looks really, really beautiful. And I like it. I like it. I think that she did a good job with this, and I'm happy as a Capricorn. I'm happy with this color. It's beautiful. It's not my #1 favorite, but it's beautiful, and it's very, very, very unique. So those are all the polishes swatched. I guess I'll kind of tell you guys my favorite. If I were to tell you what polishes to get and you were going to actually listen to me, this one, Virgo, is my #1 favorite. I think it is so beautiful, and there isn't a lot of polishes like these out there, and it does look so dang cool. And then Libra. Libra is such a beautiful color, you guys. It's so girly, but in a grown-up way, and so just gorgeous. It's just such a gorgeous polish. So I absolutely love these two for sure. Also, I love the Aries, and everyone's gonna love this Aries, this bright orange, like fire orange, and of course this bright yellow is absolutely gorgeous. If you love yellow polish and you need something just bright, this one. So that's it, you guys. I wanted to just get this video up as soon as possible. I'm sorry I had to do it here in this like living space situation, but I'm not gonna lie, Hollow Week tore up my office. Like, I haven't washed my brushes, I haven't cleaned it yet. I kind of just started to clean it, but that room is so messy. I can't even tell you. Like, Hollow Week completely disrupted my upstairs. Like, my upstairs is so dang dirty, and it's not like dirty like dirt. It's like there's clean laundry everywhere in my whole entire upstairs. And I've had people over so much, and then I was filming for Hollow Week, and then I was editing, and I didn't have time to do all that laundry, so it was in the guest room, and then the kids kind of spread it around upstairs, and then I had to keep it clean downstairs, so I focused on any cleaning time downstairs, because we had like friends over, and then, you know, Halloween stuff, and I had people living in my house. So it's been an adventure, but I'm slowly piecing my life together. I hope you guys like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it whenever I swatch Kale polishes. Let me know down below which one is your favorite. Also, you guys, like I told you earlier, tell me your sign, if you know anything about Capricorns, any experiences, anything like that, leave it down below. Educate me a little bit about Capricorn. I'm just kind of curious. But yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all your love. I'm excited to be back and to be filming again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.